Have you ever found yourself attracting the wrong kind of people in your life? Or maybe you're just ready to build a healthy, meaningful relationship, but aren't sure where to start. The truth is, attracting the right person begins with understanding yourself first. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to attract the right person into your life, focusing on key steps like self-awareness, self-love, and being clear about what you really want. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to begin attracting the type of relationship you truly deserve. 1. Understand yourself first. Before you can attract the right person, you need to understand yourself. I know this might sound cliche, but it's key. The way you view yourself, the standards you set, and the values you hold are all things that influence the type of person you're going to attract. Ask yourself these questions. What are my core values? What kind of partner do I really want? Am I in a place where I'm ready for a healthy relationship? Getting clear on these things will help you figure out what you're really looking for in a partner. If you don't know who you are or what you truly want, it's going to be harder to attract the right match. 2. Focus on self-love. It's one of the most important factors in attracting the right person into your life. When you love and respect yourself, you radiate confidence and positivity. This naturally attracts people who are on the same wavelength. So take time to care for yourself, both mentally and physically. Whether it's through practicing self-care, setting healthy boundaries, or just doing things that make you feel good, focusing on self-love will help you show up as your best self. Remember, when you love yourself, you teach others how to treat you, and the right person will recognize that. 3. Be clear about what you want. One big mistake people make is settling for things they don't truly want. Maybe you're afraid of being alone, so you settle for a relationship that doesn't meet your standards. Or maybe you think you should be with someone just because they're good enough. But here's the truth. If you're not clear on what you want, you'll likely end up attracting the wrong person. So be specific. Know what qualities matter to you in a partner. Are you looking for someone who shares your interests? Do you want someone who values communication and trust? Write it down and get clear about your non-negotiables. Being specific helps you filter out potential matches that don't fit your needs, so you can stay open to attracting someone who truly aligns with your goals and values. 4. Let go of unrealistic expectations. Now let's talk about something that can often get in the way of attracting the right person: unrealistic expectations. We all have ideas of what our perfect partner looks like, but sometimes we get too caught up in an idealized version of love. Perfection doesn't exist. If you're waiting for someone who ticks every single box, you might miss out on someone great. Instead, look for qualities that really matter: kindness, respect, shared values, and emotional maturity. These are the things that lead to lasting connections. So let go of that perfect person mentality and be open to the real connections that can grow into something beautiful. If you want to attract the right person, you've got to start with yourself. Focus on self-love, get clear on what you want, and let go of unrealistic expectations. When you show up as your best self, the right person will naturally be drawn to you. Remember, relationships are a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, stay true to your values, and the right person will come when the time is right.